Hello, welcome back to my channel again. Today I am going to share my Glossybox December and January both in one video because I don't know what happened to the boxes in December. I received my both boxes in January. That's why I'm making both videos at same time. So this is my December box. It's called Chairs. I really love this box. It's really cute, golden, and the glittery box. I really like it. And in Jan, it's as usual glossy box. But you know, in glossy box you will receive a full product, and I already making video of that product, which I really like it. So first of all, I share my December box with you, what I got. As you see, it's glossy chairs. There is a paper in this you got, and it will show the price of the products also. So some of products are really famous and my favorite also. So first of all, I will show you. It's a curl enhancing lotion. See, packaging. It's really fancy packaging, and I don't know why I opened this upside down, but I really like it. See, bottle is really cute, and it's a really full size, and it is 150 ml, and the price of this enhancing lotion is $45. And after that, it's a Laura Geller Easy Illuminating Stick. I really like this stick because several highlighters work with liquid or cream highlighters more, so I like this highlighter. It's really, see, can you see that? Can you see that? See, it's very creamy and very good. So I really like it because I used it only one time, so I want to play little more with it. And the price of this illuminating stick is $26. So I really appreciate that. And another thing, it comes in this box. It's Beauty for Real eyeliner. I never use silver eyeliner gel pencils, so it comes in this, and it's really good color. I will use it, definitely use it in the future, but not really I use it, but I like it. It's called 24/7 eyeliner, and the price of this eyeliner is $14. So I really like it. And another thing is silicone makeup sponge. It's applicator, sorry, silicone makeup applicator sponge, because I'm using all the time the sponge. That's why a sponge is in my head. Okay, it is like that. Oops, sorry. It is like that. I never use these kind of things for my foundation. I don't know. I will definitely share my review with you on my Instagram. Please follow me on my Instagram or social media accounts. I will definitely share my thoughts with you, because on Instagram everybody use the silicone thing for your foundation. I don't know, but I really like this, and the price of this is $20. Oh my god, so expensive. And last product in this box, which I really love, it's one of my favorite company, Kryolan. I used foundation and concealer of this brand, and it's like that. And I love this eyeshadow primer. It's eyeshadow primer. See, I love this eyeshadow primer. I used it 1 or 2 times, and my eyeshadow stay all the day, and without smudging anything. I have no complaint with that. So I really like this eyeshadow primer. I really appreciate that also, and it is full size price is $18.50. The whole price of this box is $21 dollars and something, and but in Canadian dollars it will convert it is, I think it's 38. I don't remember the price. I will definitely write in my description box what is the actually price in Canada of this box. But I really like these boxes. I have only 2 subscription thing for my videos. One is Ipsy Glam Bag, and another is Glossybox, and I love to my subscription things a lot, because the product of these boxes are so amazing. So this is my December box, and now it's January. In January box I received this paper like before, and it is called Fresh Face, and it is also mentioned the price of the products. The price of all products I will link in the description box below. Okay, let's share the things. First of all, it's a hydrating eye gel. Actually I need that a lot. It's a hydrating gel for dark circles. I don't know about this company. It's first time I received this thing in my box. When I will use it, I definitely share my reviews with you. Okay, don't worry, just follow me on my social media accounts, dear. Okay, and the second thing is called Dr. Botanical. Wait, it's like that. It's a liquidy drops for your skin. It's called Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. Yes, the price of this is $58. Yeah, it's $58, dear. so expensive, right? But the smell is very good, and it's very good for your skin also. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to mention the price of this. The price of this is for $14.99 for full size. Okay, I think it's a full size, but you can check on the website also. And another is Buxom Big T's mascara. I think it's a sample size because it is very small, right? I don't know, but I like it so much because it's smudge proof and it's waterproof, so I like it. And this says its full size price is $22, and I really don't know its full size or its sample size, but it's plumping mascara. It says 2 ml mascara, but it is not mentioned their full size mascara is how much, but I like it. I will definitely check afterwards. Okay. And another thing comes in this is called Marula Oil Transforming. It's a little small thing. It is for restore moisturizing and shine lackluster hair. See, can you see that? It's a little small bottle, and it is also for your hair product. And again, it's a hair oil, I don't know. And the price of this hair oil is $26 for full size, and it is 1. Yeah, it's not the full size. Yeah, it's not the full size. The full size price is $58, and this is a sample size, because this box is mix of samples and full size things. So another thing which I was really excited when I saw the packaging. See, it's a rose gold lip gloss, but I found it. See, the packaging is so beautiful, and the color of lip gloss is also very beautiful, but for lip gloss it is little dry. Yeah, I am very fond of lip glosses because my lips are very dry, but when you put on your lips is still dry. So I don't know it is for summer thing or what, but the packaging, I like it. It's very good, and the color is very good. I don't know, share your comments if you subscribe this box. I want to know you like this lip gloss or not. Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. And the price of this dusty lip tint in dusty rose is it $22? Yeah, it's quite expensive. Yeah, it's use a finger or lip brush. I don't know, because you cannot see with your fingers swatch. I don't know when you apply with the brush it will work or not. So that's it for my 2 boxes. I hope you like my video. Please give thumbs up and subscribe. please subscribe to my channel if you like my video. Till then, bye.